Hello everybody, this is Willow. We're going to use ReadyCheck.io today. So I'm going to go to my add-ons, SimCraft, copy that. Then I'm going to go over to RaidBots. And RaidBots Droptimizer, you're going to paste into there. Okay, Liberation Undermine, Mythic, upgrade 8 of 8 Mythic, run the Droptimizer. Droptimizer's done. We're going to put the data of the Droptimizer into ReadyCheck.io. So I'll probably edit this out, but hey, who knows? I might leave it in because it's easier. So my Paladin doing ret just to kind of show you what the percentage of the upgrades are that you're going to see in the Droptimizer and how that converts over to ReadyCheck.io. And we'll be using ReadyCheck.io for our loot council. So it really helps to figure out what the greatest upgrade for the group is versus what the greatest upgrade for a person individual is. Okay, so we got this done, and you come over here to the share report URL, copy to clipboard, go to ReadyCheck.io, submit Droptimizer report, paste that in there, hit submit, and then it's good to go. So you go over to our loot sheet and you'll see I've already gone in here and selected some of the items for my Paladin. But what you want to do is go to your loot sheet for your character, and right here it's telling me it's almost an 8% upgrade. So I'm gonna put, and using other things like Wowhead, Icy Veins, your class Discord, you can, they'll have best in slot lists, so you could put, oh, this is a best in slot, or you could put, come down here, say that's an upgrade, come down here, oh, 7%, that's a good upgrade. No, that might be the best in slot because it's better than the other one, so on and so forth. But you go through, definitely best in slots is best in slot. 15, almost 15% upgrade. That's crazy. So you go through and you put the different things on here. That might even be better than best in slots. 14.6, 14.6. Yep. And you do all this. You mark loot as current. And then from the loot sheet, we'll see. So if the gear grinder spare keys drop and Willow P wants it, Willow Age wants it, Willow S wants it, well, it's going to go to Willow P because it's going to be the biggest upgrade. And it's going to be the thing that's helping the group the most. And that's what we're going to be using this website for. Questions, comments, come find me. All right. Thanks a lot.